Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to upload your image to Canva. So let's get started. So I am in the Canva home page over here. So first let me go and create a design. So I'll just click on create a design option and I'll just go with YouTube thumbnail. So basically I will be getting here a YouTube thumbnail template over here. So first thing, you need to just go to the folder in which you have the image to be uploaded. So I want this image of a car to be uploaded, and I've just opened that folder. So you can simply just drag it and you can just drop it over here. So the image just comes over here and it's basically appearing right here, and you can just then drag it and put it inside your design. It's as simple as that, and you'll be having it inside the uploads thing. And in case if you want to browse and upload, you can just click on this uploads option. Okay, by default it would be present in design. You need to just click on uploads and you need to just click on upload files, and you can basically then select that image as well. So this is as simple as that. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.